Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am working on a 18 by 24 inch artist loft canvas. And I'm going to do a flip cup. And I'll show you the colors that I'm going to use. This one here is Decoart's metallic. Oh no, this one is the Auntie's metallic Amethyst. It's really pretty color. And then this one is the Decoart's metallic Amethyst. Pretty, another pretty purple. This one now is a mixture between Decoart's metallic silver, their matte black metallic, and a little bit of satin enamel because I ran out of silver. So I had to kind of create my own little color here. So let's see about that. And then this one is Creative Inspirations Dioxazine Violet. So those are the colors I'm going to use. And here's the cup. I'm going to put a little bit of silver in the bottom. And this is the painting that I had done before. And I did embellish it with some just little silver things and then some glitter lines. But I really like this. But this was done with Primal Flow Ready Pour paints. But I love how this turned out. So hopefully I can get something similar to it. I don't know if these colors are going to do that or not. Let's see. I hope this is going to be enough paint. Hopefully I have more purple in there than I do that silver, or it really looks gray. So hopefully we'll have enough in there. So let's get to moving here. Actually, I think I'm going to put, I don't want white. I don't know if I have enough paint on here. Hold on a second. I'm going to... I do like that. It's not as dark as the other one, but that's okay because the colors are obviously different. Oh, sorry. Alright, so let me wipe my hands off here. I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. But I do like this. Like I said, it's not as dark as the other one, which I was kind of hoping to be a little bit darker from the Dioxazine Violet. But I do have it taped underneath the bottom. But you always want to make sure you get your drips so it doesn't continually pull your paints down. Alright, yeah, I like that. Give me 1 second, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Okay, I bring it down for a close-up. I really like it. Still, I wish the gray or the silver wasn't as gray as it is, but I don't mind it because there's not that much. But I got some cool cells out of there from the metallic colors, which I really like that. And I can't wait to resin this and embellish it a little bit. But I do want to thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So tell me what you think. Please like and subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think about this piece. I hope everybody's doing well. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.